On today's menu, a delicious recipe to spice up your weekly menu. A quick and delicious, hot and sweet, noodles. Lehoma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is really delicious, it's spicy, it's savory, and it's really easy to put together. Let's begin. Bring some water to boil for the noodles. There's not a whole lot of ingredients that go into this, so no need to be shy with that garlic. 4 pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Small piece of ginger, finely chopped. Now you can use some chopped up broccolini if you'd like, but for today, we're just going to be using these green onions, and we're going to use quite a bit of it, so it'll add a little bit more kind of substantial veg into the dish. Finely chop 5 sticks of green onion, keeping the white and the green parts separate. Before we start cooking, there are a couple notable ingredients that you definitely have to make this recipe. This here is the Korean pepper powder, also called gochugaru. These are chili peppers that are ground, usually without the seeds, so it's actually not that spicy. This is the same pepper powder that I use to make the chili oil. This here is a doubanjiang, or also called a Sichuan style broad bean sauce. This is kind of like a spicy, salty, fermented paste that has tons of umami. 1 tablespoon doubanjiang, ½ tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon black vinegar, a splash of toasted sesame oil, ½ tablespoon maple syrup. Stir to combine. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. 1/4 cup peanuts. 1 teaspoon white sesame seeds. Toast for 2 to 3 minutes. Set the sesame seeds and peanuts aside. Boil the noodles for half the time to package instructions, in this case, 2 minutes. In this episode, I'm using about 140 grams of dry ramen noodles. Gently stir the noodles with chopsticks to loosen. Pan back on medium heat. 2 tablespoons avocado oil. Garlic and ginger. The white parts from the green onions. Saute for about a minute. One teaspoon gochugaru, 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Saute for about a minute. Strain out the noodles and add to the pan. Sauce. Add the green onions, peanuts, and sesame seeds, but save some for garnish. Saute for a couple of minutes and it's done. Plate. Garnish with peanuts and sesame seeds and green onion. You can now enjoy these delicious noodles with absolute confidence. That not only looks incredible, it smells amazing. Boy oh boy, that is seriously incredibly packed with amazing flavor and textures. I mean, visually it's just so rustic. It's really stunning with that pop of green color from the green onions, but it has this overall earthy, deep caramel color. The texture from the noodles are just perfectly cooked with that little bit of elasticity because it was half boiled and then finished in the pan along with that amazingly delicious sauce. It has that salty, the tangy, the spicy, that incredible smokiness from the gochugaru. You have that fermented kind of flavor and that rich umami from the doubanjiang. And you get a little bit of that kind of brightness and that tanginess from the black vinegar, that aromatic lift from the toasted sesame oil, and everything is just brought together by the delicious crunchiness from the peanuts and the toasted sesame seeds that has this deliciously toasty kind of roasted flavor. Because we added a lot of green onions, it adds that really nice kind of freshness. The soy sauce adds that saltiness as well as that umami. The dark soy sauce is what gives those noodles this beautiful, deep, earthy color. The maple syrup really adds this kind of delicate, almost cotton candy sweetness. And that ginger and the garlic literally just melts into these noodles. It definitely has that heat and that bite of spiciness, but not too overpowering. A little bit of that smokiness, but incredibly delicious and incredibly savory. This is definitely one of those noodle dishes you can make every single week. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious, but amazing dishes like this that makes it so exciting to cook at home. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like me, then definitely check out the ramen cookbook, the Cook with Confidence cookbook, the Yeung Man cooking merch, as well as the plant-based sushi masterclass. To check out all those things, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to take a look. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next episode.